Ever experienced that day when you and your friends are all craving for the same thing? Yes, this is one of those days. Hi everyone, this is Odyssey, and for today's video, I wanted to share our first time making the famous Korean bibimbap.
She's a Mona Lisa.
I guess one of the things this pandemic taught us is to be resourceful and learn something new. We can't go out and eat in a restaurant, so here's us satisfying our heart's craving. Before we begin, please know that we're not chef or cook. We're just inspired when we saw this video from Mang Chi, got us all crave for Korean bibimbap and thought of making this ourselves. So with that being said, let's get into it. First step is to prepare the ingredients. What we have here is mushroom, zucchini, bell peppers, carrots, sprouted beans, and beef marinated in bulgogi sauce and sesame oil. If you don't have zucchini, you can also use cucumber. Cut carrots and zucchini into strips, mix it with a pinch of salt, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes until sweaty. Cut bell pepper into halves, remove the seed and slice into strips. Cut mushroom lengthwise and set it aside. Now we're ready to do some cooking. Heat the pan and toss it on sesame oil for 1 minute to bring its flavor. Sprinkle it with salt and pepper to your liking and set it aside. Now to the best part. Fry the beef until tender, add some more salt if you like, but ours is already flavorful, so we didn't add more. And since the pan has some sauce from the beef marinade we cooked, we toss in our rice. Filipino knows that this is something we do when we cook adobo too. So there you have it! Voila! Your bibimbap is ready. So flavorful and healthy. Serve warm and